Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix ARK Lost Colony game crashing or crashing in startup, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on the PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, now check if the game is launching. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings and click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to go ahead. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts and move down to others on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that, select ARK Lost Colony game and then click on restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. If not, next method is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu, then select save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select ARK Lost Colony game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data, and after that check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Now choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign in to PS5. First, go to settings on PS5, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings and at last choose restore option. Next is to reinstall ARK Lost Colony game. For that, highlight ARK Lost Colony on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install ARK Lost Colony again to check for the error. If not, then the final method is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across, and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.